Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the, what year is this one? 2020, I think? Yeah, 2020 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. I can't process the fact that I'm driving this. This is one of the most expensive cars I've ever reviewed, expensive new cars. I've driven the Aventador, F12, GTC4 Lusso, so I'm starting to get used to it, which is very weird for me to say. But this one here, stickers for $356,000. I just heard something move down there, and I hope it's not a gator. 715 horsepower from a twin-turbo 5.2-liter V12, which is plenty. This thing is a proper rocket ship. Oh, slide on in. Oh, I think I hit something. Alright. The window up. So this is white stone. Absolutely beautiful. I have to stop hitting that with my pocket. So this paint color is $5,300. Bang & Olufsen sound is $8,400. We won't, go over the options, but $356,786. So a very, very well-equipped version of this DBS then. Inside it is absolutely gorgeous. Leather everywhere. But, it just clicked in my mind I'm driving this. Actually, no, I will go automatic mode at first. We're in sport. Actually, if we're in sport plus, I'll go manual. Visibility, honestly, is excellent. That's something that's really surprising, is just how good the visibility is in these things. And in Astons in general, it's just excellent. The price tag, yeah, it's definitely in my mind right now. Yeah, when stuff like that happens. By the way, that guy just almost hit a Maserati Ghibli, which, where I'm from, is a very high-end car. This is, on the used market, I'll say a conservative $250,000 more. This is a Huracan more expensive than a Ghibli. So is it worth that? Oh, absolutely. Where are you gonna find luxury like this at this price point? It's sensational, guys. It really is. Only complaint I have is it's not mine. It's a sensational car. But it ain't mine. Not yet, anyway. That was not full throttle. You can't go full throttle under 60 miles an hour or you will spin. It is, unless you warm up the tires, which they're warm-ish, but I'm not sitting here pushing it, so they're not gonna stay up to temp. What's really amazing is the performance of this car plus how it is to drive. It's super comfortable. Okay, the carbon ceramics now are getting pretty warm. Even in the sportiest setting, over the bumps, it's awesome. I'm not uncomfortable right now. And that's a huge thing. A lot of these high-end supercars, even the GTC4 Lusso, you drive them and it's just a little bit overwhelming. It doesn't drive like a normal car. Whereas this one, if you are just cruising around town, it drives just as well as the Vantage. It's a luxury car with the performance of an 812 Superfast. Maybe a little less, but this is a sensational car. It was so funny because the guys at Aston Martin, when I drove the DB11 AMR, I was like, there is no need for a DBS Superleggera. No, there is. This is good. The way and how it gains speed is something that is rivaled only by Tesla. But the problem is, with Tesla, it dies after 60 miles an hour or so. It really starts to slow down. No. This thing will keep pulling. I don't know, because the fastest I went in this car, fastest I've gone is like 75 on the highway. So I haven't, it's a dealer car. I don't like to sit there and do 159 miles an hour, because you're stupid if you do that in a car that's unfamiliar to you. I mean, look at all that. Okay then. Look at all this. This is all leather. Sun visor. I mean, every single thing in here is leather that can be. Back when Aston Martin of New England was at their old location, I saw this car and fell in love with it. Never, ever. That was about a year ago. Maybe a little longer. Never in my wildest dreams did I think I'd ever get to drive this car. And yet, here I am driving this car. That's... If you want to talk about how my mind is right now and the difference of a year of this channel, a year ago I was happy to drive a Mazda 6. Now, I'm driving cars like this, and it's becoming normal. It's a blessing and a curse. It's becoming normal. So, a lot of times, I used to, if I heard I was driving an Aston Martin Vantage, an 06 Vantage, a $50,000 car, I wouldn't get sleep that night. Now, I'm losing sleep over a car that's $400,000. If you want to talk about how you start to get used to this stuff. Which way are you going, Abby? Going all the way? No. Thank you guys so much for watching, making experiences like this possible. I can't thank anyone else but you guys. This is the result of dedication and hard work. And I hate to be the guy that says that, but I am. I'm the guy that's gonna say it. This is all thanks to you. That's pretty cool. I have a DBS right next to it, so I'll end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.